That's not a knife. That's a knife. Crocodile Dundee. Watch the movie. So, this is the white Digmaster. This is the tool that I got about 2 years ago when I was looking for a digging knife. And I was thinking about getting, well, I was considering like 4 others, especially the Lesche, since everyone seemed to be endorsing the Lesche. But this one was new, so I was like, let me get this one. And it's different. Yeah, it's different. Like the Lesche. So I called a company to find out like the real pronunciation of the name Lesche. It's German. And they said it's Lesche with a short E at the end. Lesche. But this one was new, so I was like, let me get this one. And it's different. Yeah, it's different. Like the Lesche is only serrated like on one side. You can get it on the left or right, depending on what you want. This is both. Like, I don't know if just a regular blade, like, I don't know why you would want no serrations, you know what I mean? This has an engraved ruler. It has a lanyard hole. I think I like the orange better than the red color. Now, they're both skin puncture sharp. And I just called the company to get some more information, and he said this steel is a tool steel, and it's heat treated to harden it, and it does run the whole length of the tool into the handle. And he said that like he's never heard of anyone sharpening this or needing to sharpen it, but if you do need to sharpen it, use a belt sander or a bench grinder. Like a bench grinder would be the best. And if you don't have one, or if your dad doesn't have one in his garage, then you can go to a lawnmower repair shop. And it's like the same machine that they use to sharpen the blades of a lawnmower. And it's like $5. Someone just texted me. So is that all you need to know? I mean, I'm happy with this thing, but I don't know how the others work. But basically, you know, when you cut a plug, you can like do a circular thing, or you can just go down and like rock it back and forth, and then you go opposite and you go down and you rock it back and forth, and then you do like the third wall or whatever. There's another text. Rock it back and forth like that. A thing about the sheath thing. Okay, this is a good sheath that has the holes on the bottom so the dirt comes out. And then, like, this goes on your belt, and it's big enough, this hole is big enough that you can put it through, like, either side of the belt, so you don't have to take your whole belt off, you know what I'm saying? And then, like, it's plastic in there so the knife doesn't snag it. The thing about the sheath is that, this can get torn. But if you have a problem, then call the company. They can help you. But they started making the sheaths with like little rivets? Yeah, rivets there. So it won't do that. I mean, I don't have anything to complain about this. I mean, I haven't heard anything terrible about it. But, oh my gosh, I just almost punctured myself. Okay, that's it. On a side note, like this kiwi strawberry, it tastes like bubble gum to me. Anyway, see you later. Okay, I knew I was going to forget stuff, because I always do. So if you don't have a bench grinder or a belt sander or whatever, you can use a hand file. But he said, the guy at the company said, if you do use a hand file, it's going to take forever. And so when you do sharpen it, like sharpen it on the beveled side, like on the left side, and then the right side. That's all you should need to do. And like he said that like they sold 10 to 20,000 of them. I know that's a big range, but that's what he said. And like only 2 came back that were broken. And there's a 2-year warranty. And I think that's it. I mean, and then I know, like, someone's going to complain in the comments, like, oh, but you're not demonstrating it. You should be outside digging a hole. Well, I don't think I need to, because, I don't know, maybe I will add it on to the video, but I'm just saying it's a good digger, okay?